Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off message sounds in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now, if I go into a conversation and I send a message, you'll be able to see it has that annoying sound every time I either send or receive a message. However, you can turn that off in the WhatsApp app. Let's just go back out of here and tap on the U button at the bottom right. Now, within your settings, we can turn this off just by scrolling down, and you can see right under chat is notifications. Just tap on that. Now, you can see all these notifications when you do receive or send a message, all of that. However, at the very bottom, you can see it says in-app notifications. So we're going to choose that. And there is sound. You can turn this off in addition to vibrate. And now if I go back in here and I send a message, you'll be able to see complete silence. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.